Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying healthy and happy as well. I am back. I want to thank every one of you for sending me messages in Instagram, about my mom. As some of you already know, my mom was in agony and I went to Ecuador where she rests in peace now, and I am going through a very hard time. It's not easy to grieve, when you lost someone that you love very much. So today I am going to reveal the swap that I received, hosted by Lisa, and the swap is called My Favorite Things. So this swap definitely make me very happy, put a smile on me, and I am going to leave the host Lisa and also my swapping partner social media accounts in the description box below. Please follow them, sending them some love, and let's go ahead and flip the camera and watch the swap reveal. Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. I am here to unbox and reveal my swap that I received, and this is a swap called My Favorite Things, hosted by the lovely and bubbly Lisa from Leave It to Lisa. And I am going to link the handles, social media handles of the host Lisa, and also of my swapping partner, which I don't know, so this is going to be a surprise. To speed up and not make this video this long, I already opened the box. However, I haven't opened the swap, so I'm going to probably zoom in, zoom out. So it came on these gorgeous milk and cookies. And look at this bow. Wow, this is so pretty, and I love this trim. Very nice. And look at this trim. How pretty. It's pink, kind of like rayon material. So pretty. And then look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at how all the goodies are packaged so beautifully. And of course it's pink because I love pink. This other one, and here we go, and this one. Oh my goodness. So look at all the pretty confetti around here. So where I should start? Should I start with the goodies? Yeah. So these are my favorite things. In other words, the swappers, my swapping partner's favorite things, right? So she sent me some goodies. Ooh, and I love this baggie, so I'm definitely going to recycle this. I'm going to put it in here. So she sent me nerds. Ooh, gummy clusters. And Harry Potter. Ooh, gummy candy. Never seen these before. Thank you. And this is coming from, Lacy. Lacy Hefner. I'm also going to leave her handle over here and also in the description box below. Camera is not focusing, but she's in IG, in Instagram, the Cheeky Bum. Oh, the Cheeky Bum. And YouTube, also the Cheeky Bum 1. So look at all the packaging. So pretty. Oh, I love it. I love pink. It's my favorite color, and love this baggie that I am also going to recycle. And look at the packaging. My goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness, moi. I love it. I love these metal die, and look at the cherries with the charms. You open this up, babe. Oh, I love it. It's Valentine's theme, and love all the I don't want to say confetti because this looks like sequin mixes, heart-shaped sequin mixes. Yes, look at that. And then here, perfect for shakers. And I don't have this metal die, which is like so pretty. And it comes with a magnet. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I'm going to put it here. And then this other package on pink cellophane. Nice. I'm going to put all my baggies because I recycle everything and I use them in junk journals or, embellishments here and there. So there's 2 baggies. The first one is, oh, look at that, the perfect match. Oh, I love all these. These are like hearts, like puffy hearts. Very cute. Oh, like my way. How cute. This is so pretty. Very pretty. And look at the hearts. Gosh, very nice. Like my way. Yeah, that's what I need now. Since you already, I probably posted that in Instagram, but I had a recent loss. My mom passed away, so it's been quite hard to film and do things. But, opening these Happy Mail definitely, makes me happy and makes me feel better. So, look at these baggie too. These 2 baggies, so cute. And in that baggie came, ooh, Valentine's Hershey hydrating mask. Yes, that's what I need now. And also, oh, look at this sugar cookie. Oh, look at that, Lisa. So cute. And then this other baggie. Okay. Oh, look at this poke tool, and I love the sequin mix that she also provided. Love yourself. Look at that. How cute. How cute. And yes, so your favorite tool. So my the Cheeky Bum, her favorite tool are these scissors. These are from Heidi Swap. Very nice. And tweezers, which I don't have, believe it or not. I do not have tweezers, and I've been wanting to buy one, but I never can find them. And the third package is this one. Oh my goodness, look at this, the boombox from the 80s. I just love it. Actually, I'm an 80s woman, right? So look at that, how cute, cute. Oh my goodness, look at all the details. It's like a boombox back on the 80s. Oh my goodness, it brought me tons of memories. And it opens up, and before I open it up, let's appreciate all the decor. Look at these shakers, these jammies. How cute. And you open this up, and I'm gonna come closer, and it has, wow, 1, 2, 3, and 4 cassettes. This is just so darn cute. And 4 cassettes, and for camera purposes, I'm gonna put those over here. So let's take a look at the first one. Look at that. She even included like a dangle, mini dangle. Oh, so cute. Look at that. So cute. And oh my goodness, look at her embellishments. These are her favorite embellishments. Wow, look at that. These 2 flags. Very cute. Oh my goodness. Look at these mini banners. Oh my goodness. And then these are mini. Let's open these up so we don't see the glare here. But oh my goodness, look at that. They're like Polaroids cut apart. Yeah. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then, my goodness, these are all her favorite die cuts. which are really pretty. And oh, thank you for gifting me this, because I do not have these dies. I love it. Love it. The sunglasses, kind of like vintage style. So this is the first cassette box. The second one, oh, it's a shaker. Look at that. Look at all the details, all the layering, so pretty. And oh my goodness, look at this chunky monkey. Holy smokes. Wow. I wish I could know how to make these chunky stuff. I am so bad on making, you know, things with beads and all that. And it's nice, you know, when you participate in swaps, you are able to get inspirations and see how all these other talented crafters make things. But this is just gorgeous. Gorgina. Thank you very much. And of course, I'm probably going to take, you know, a picture for the thumbnail. And then this is the other one. And look at these baby flowers. Oh my goodness. Look at all the detail. Oh, rosettes. Thank you very much, because I am running out of rosettes. I purchased last year rosettes from Lori, created for fun in Instagram and in YouTube. And definitely I needed more rosettes because I'm running out. I've used them all. And normally I use these rosettes on embellishments, on junk journals, and also banners, you know, to decorate. And thank you. I have now a new stash of rosettes. Yay! Then the last one, it's, oh, I love these. Smooch. Pretty dangle. And look at the cassette and all the layering. And then, oh, flowers. Thank you so much. I am so grateful that I got this swap from the Cheeky Bum, because, again, I don't have flowers. And even though I have dies, but I'm just getting lazy. But I love when I get flowers, rosettes already, you know, made for me, so I can use them in so many paper craft projects. But these flowers are just gorgeous. Look at the center. The center is like a metal thing. I never seen that. Wow, very nice, very nice. So I got all these flowers, turquoise, all my colors. So yeah, so this is the swap that I got from the Cheeky Bum. And I'm definitely going to take a picture, you know, for the thumbnail and for IG as well, and my other social media accounts. If you haven't followed the Cheeky Bum, I'm going to leave her social media accounts in the description box below. And definitely follow her. The Cheeky Bum, thank you very much for this swap. It really made me happy in these kind of, you know, sad times that I'm going through right now. But again, you know, crafty friends are the best. So thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.